Krishnan and I am here with a beginner's footwork challenge class. So this is for people who've been dancing between 2 to 3 months, and this combination includes your basic, side basic, the combination of your basic and side basic, your cross basics and your right turns. So let's get started. The first step you'll do is a basic, which looks like left, right on the place, left, right, left, right. The second step is a side basic, left, right, left, right, left, right. We get into the combination which is left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Immediately after this, you guys go for a back cross basic, which looks like left, right, left, right, left, right. We stop here at the diagonal position. From here, we go for a basic again, which is a diagonal basic. So left, right, left, right, left. On the count 7, I want you to turn and face here. 7. On the count next one, you guys go here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and face the center. Now, let's go again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, a side basic. 1, 2, 3, a plus 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, a back cross basic. 1, 2, 3, face this direction. 1, 2, 3, a 5, 6, change. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, center. From here, we go ahead with a half right turn, which looks like 1, 2 on the place, 3, complete the basic, 5, 6, 7. Do the same thing, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here, I want you all to just add a shoulder shimmy with your cross basic. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And similarly, you do it with your right turn. 1, 2, 3, shimmy, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, shimmy, 6, stop. So guys, now I'm going to show you all the whole combination on the music. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 5.